Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our exciting content. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the CMCP 405-445 ignition coil, designed to fit perfectly with 43cc and 52cc lawn mowers, brush cutters, and grass trimmers. This accessory is an essential tool for any avid gardener or landscaper, and I'm here to tell you why. First and foremost, the CMCP 405-445 ignition coil is built to last. It's made with high-quality materials to ensure durability and longevity, giving you peace of mind, knowing that your equipment will continue to run smoothly and efficiently. Not only that, but this ignition coil is designed for easy installation, so you won't have to worry about any complicated setup processes. Simply attach it to your equipment and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. But the benefits don't stop there. By using the CMCP 405-445 ignition coil, you'll experience improved performance and reliability from your lawn mower, brush cutter, or grass trimmer. This means you'll be able to tackle your gardening tasks with ease, knowing that your equipment is up to the challenge. So, if you're looking to upgrade your gardening tools and take your landscaping to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the CMCP 405-445 ignition coil. You can find a link to purchase this product in the description below. Don't settle for subpar equipment, invest in the best, and witness the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Happy gardening!